SpeedTrader Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to SpeedTrader and related resources are in the description. SpeedTrader is a direct access brokerage platform designed for active traders who need fast execution, advanced trading tools, and competitive pricing. Unlike standard online brokers, SpeedTrader is tailored for day traders and professionals who prioritize speed, reliability, and direct market access (DMA) for stocks and options. With a range of trading platforms, low latency order routing, and a focus on short selling, SpeedTrader provides the tools needed for serious traders looking for an edge in the market. Features. SpeedTrader offers multiple trading platforms, including SpeedTrader Pro and Active Web, both of which provide advanced charting, real-time market data, and customizable order entry. The platform supports direct order routing, allowing traders to send orders directly to market makers and ECNs for improved execution speed. It also includes advanced hotkey functions for ultra-fast order placement, making it ideal for scalpers and high-frequency traders. Short sellers benefit from an extensive list of locatable stocks with real-time availability updates. Additionally, SpeedTrader offers competitive commission structures with per-share and per-trade pricing options to suit different trading styles. Who is it for? SpeedTrader is best suited for professional traders, day traders, and active investors who require direct market access, fast execution, and advanced order routing. It's particularly beneficial for traders focused on momentum trading, scalping, and short selling. However, it's not ideal for casual investors or long-term traders who don't need DMA and advanced trading tools. Strengths: direct market access (DMA), faster order execution with direct routing options. Advanced trading platforms, multiple platform choices with customizable tools. Short selling advantage, large inventory of locatable stocks. Hotkey functionality, quick order execution for active traders. Flexible pricing, offers per-share and per-trade commission models. Weaknesses: high minimum deposit, requires a $30,000 minimum to open an account. Platform fees: monthly fees apply unless trading volume waivers are met. Not for casual investors, lacks basic research tools and long-term investment features. Final verdict: SpeedTrader is an excellent choice for serious traders who need fast execution, direct routing, and advanced trading tools. It's a professional-grade platform that caters to high-frequency and short-term traders, but the high minimum deposit and platform fees may not be suitable for casual investors. If you're an active trader looking for speed and control, SpeedTrader is worth considering. Links to SpeedTrader and alternatives are in the description. Check them out to find the best platform for your needs. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.